Hello, Primary 3. How are you all today? Fine? Okay. Ready to start our session for today? Ready? Okay, focus with me. Okay. Today we will have together a grammar lesson. Today we will have a grammar lesson which is about comparative adjectives. Our lesson today is about comparative adjectives. But before we start, let me ask you a question. What is an adjective? Can you think about it? What is an adjective? Let's see the answer together. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, such as happy, such as sad, such as tall, short, long, big, and so on. So, adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, she is a smart girl. She is a smart girl. Here I'm describing the noun, I'm describing the girl, that she's smart, that she is smart. So let's move to another question, which is, what are comparative adjectives? Can you think about it? What are comparative adjectives? Let's see the answer together. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects or people they modify. What does that mean? Okay, comparative adjective is an adjective that compare between two. Is an adjective that compares between two. Here we need to compare between two, so we will have a comparative adjective. We will use a comparative adjective to know the differences between them. For example, we have two boxes. We need to know which is bigger, which is nicer, which is heavier. So we need a comparative adjective. We need a comparative adjective. Clear, Primary 3? Got it? Okay, let's move. We have a big question here. How to compare between two? How can I compare between two? We have two kinds of adjectives. We have two kinds of adjectives. We have short adjectives and long adjectives. So we have two kinds of adjectives. We have short adjectives and long adjectives. And let's start with the short adjectives. Let's start with the short adjectives. What are short adjectives? Can you think? Oh, of course, you see the answer. They have only one syllable, such as old, such as fat, tall, short, small, and so on. And adjectives formed of two syllables ending with Y, such as happy, lazy, crazy, easy, and so on. So, short adjectives, they have only one syllable or two syllables ending with Y. One syllable or two syllables ending with Y. Clear? Okay, Primary 3, wake up. Okay, so let's see the form of the comparative sentence. First of all, we will start with the noun. So we will start with the noun. Then verb. So noun, verb, plus comparative adjective, which is adjective plus ER. Adjective plus ER. Tall will be taller. Short will be shorter. Small will be smaller, and so on. We will add ER. Only ER? No. ER can't stand without than. We need to add than in the comparative sentence. Ahmed is taller than, and another noun, Salma, for example. Ahmed is a noun. Is a verb. Taller, comparative adjective. Adjective plus ER. Taller Salma? No. Taller than Salma. Taller than Salma. Shorter than Salma. And so on. Let's see some examples together. Here, number 1. Ahmed is space Salma. Ahmed is space Salma. Ahmed is taller. Taller Salma? No. ER can't stand alone. We need than. Ahmed is taller than Salma. Ahmed is taller than Salma. Number 2. My new car goes space my old one. We have my new car and we have my old one. So we have two objects. We compare between only two. Only two. Don't forget that. My new car goes fast or faster? Excellent. Faster. My new car goes faster. Super. Primary 3. Faster than. Faster than. My new car goes faster than my old one. Number 3. John's room is space mine. We have John's room and we have mine. So we have two objects. John's room is smaller. John's room is smaller. Excellent. Primary 3. Smaller than mine. Smaller than mine. Number 4. Noura is space Sami. Noura is space Sami. Noura is shorter. Only shorter? Adjective plus ER? No, we need than. Excellent. Noura is shorter than Sami. Noura is shorter than Sami. So, adjective, ER, than. Adjective, ER, than. To compare between only two. Only two. Only two. Excellent. Primary 3.
Focus in video. Part 2.